Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the dollar yen I still think is likely ended a pullback already, and if it is the end of a pullback, it will take out the previous lows. On top of that, the trend is definitely down. I mean, we do not have a higher low, we do not have an engulfing up, we do not have anything whatsoever telling us that we should go down to the sort of time phase and do anything but look for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So keeping that in mind, because the higher time frames are so important no matter what time frame you're trading on. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we did have a break up, as you can see. But that break up only proves to me that this last wave is over. This move up we're currently in is probably likely a pullback within a downtrend from the higher time frames. So this move up is likely just a pullback to this last wave down. I mean, it already made one wave up and bounced from the 38%. I mean, it could just keep on going down from there. I would like to see a more proper three-way pullback, like an ABC up to maybe like the 50%. Then that would be a much clearer entry to go short. But either way, the trend is down. It doesn't have to make a three-way pullback. I mean, this could be potentially be like a, like an expanding ABC right here, and it potentially could just keep on going down from here. So, like I said on the higher time frames, there's no reason for me to be doing absolutely anything except for looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.